Nice everyone, Fabio Santos again with a few more drills for you to improve your macaco. So there are a few levels of this drill. I'm gonna show the basic one and then you can progress on the level. So when I ask which exercise that you are, you can just put level 2, level 3, each one that you are doing. So the basic one, at this stage, I'm already can go up on the bridge. So we still trying to build up the strength from the shoulder, but now on the position of the macaco without twisting the hip. So what I want you to focus on my toes, my knee straight. I'm gonna place my hand here. I wanna try to reach my hand there with my hip as high as I can. I'm on my toes, so I'm gonna lift and gonna point. So I'm gonna stay there and then I'm gonna practice on the other side. So I'm gonna place my hand, I'm gonna lift and I'm gonna hold. As less weight as possible on the wall. So I'm trying to balance the momentum there, okay? So at the first level, we're just holding the position and I want you to look down to the hand on the floor. So I'm here, so place, lift, and I'm there, okay? Level number 2, I'm gonna do that, and I want you to lift the opposite leg. So if I'm using my right hand on the floor, I'm gonna lift my left leg. And I want you to hold on the position for as long as you can, and you're timing this, 1 second, 2 seconds, without dropping the hip to the floor. It might happen at the beginning, and that's why we're working on. This is level 2. So here, place the hand, there, lift, and I'm holding. And my knee is there. Be careful not to do this, yeah? My knee is pointing that way, and I'm there and I'm looking at the floor. Again, we hold in the position. Level number 3, both legs on the floor and we jumping, okay? So here, down, here, I'm gonna drop, jump. I want you to stay on your shoulder as much as you can. So I drop, and I jump. So I'm forcing myself to do it, to stay there, okay, by leaning my head. You're not gonna bang your head on the wall because this hand is stopping you. That's the level. Moving on to the next level, level number 4. I'm gonna immediately, as I push off the hip, I'm lifting the opposite leg. If I'm using my right hand, I'm using my left leg to go up. But I don't go up and then use the knee. I wanna use this is the movement. Let me show you. So I tested first the distance there. So I'm gonna start here already first. And as I'm gonna go up, I push. I don't do this and then push, yeah? It's hip low. Look that my shoulder is not in line with my wrist yet. But when I jump, it moves my head that way. And this is what we're trying to achieve for the macaco. So I'm here. So when I jump, look where my knee is. It's gonna go there, okay? And this hand is reaching out for the wall. So I'm here, and then I go. Of course, you not go as high as I am at the beginning. It might be baby step, and it's normal. That's why some of the other drills that you practice, like the single leg bridge switch and all that, that's always gonna help you to step up on this. Send the video, record sideways ideally, practice both ways. And of course, any discomfort on the shoulder or anything like that, let me know. Don't do too many in the rows, okay? I'm gonna tell you how many you're gonna do on your program. Hope you're well, and I see you on the next one.